What is the process to look up a Michigan driver's license number?
Hello there. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic that might come in handy for Michigan residents: how to look up a Michigan driver's license number. Whether you've lost your license and need to retrieve your number, or have other valid reasons, we'll guide you through this process.
Can I look up my driver's license number online?
Unfortunately, for security reasons, you cannot look up your driver's license number online. Your driver's license number is sensitive information, and for identity theft protection, such data is not made readily available. If you have lost your license or forgotten your license number, you will need to request a replacement or find official documentation that contains this information.
How to get a replacement license in Michigan?
If you have lost your driver's license and need to know your driver's license number, the best course of action is to apply for a replacement license. 1. Visit your nearest Michigan Secretary of State (SOS) office. 2. Provide required documents, typically proof of identification, such as a passport or birth certificate. 3. Pay the required fee for a replacement driver's license. 4. Your new license, complete with your driver's license number, will be mailed to your registered address.
Can I find my driver's license number in other documents?
Yes, you can find your driver's license number on certain legal and official documents. These can include traffic ticket records. If you've ever received a traffic ticket, your driver's license number will be on that documentation. Vehicle registration documents. These documents often include your driver's license number. Insurance information. Auto insurance policies often have the driver's license number of the policyholder. However, please remember that using a driver's license number for anything other than legitimate, legal purposes is a violation of privacy laws and can result in severe penalties. And there we have it. Although you can't directly look up your Michigan driver's license number online due to privacy and security concerns, you can apply for a replacement license or find the number in various official documents. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your driver's license safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informational content.